Hi, Vanakkam and welcome to Yeshwanth's Kitchen. I am your Yeshwanth. Today we are going to make South Indian special Pakoda Curry. Before we move on, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell to get regular updates from Yeshwanth's Kitchen. Let's start the preparation. To make pakoda curry, we need pakoda, tomatoes, coriander leaves, oil, curry leaves, red chilli, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, garam masala, chilli powder, salt and fennel seeds. Take a pan, add oil and allow it to heat. To this I am going to add fennel seeds, red chilli, curry leaves and ginger garlic paste. Saute it well. Now let's add chopped tomatoes. It is a perfect time to add in all the masalas. Give a mix. And then add the water. Now let's start adding the pakodas into the gravy. This pakoda is special because this is made at Yeshwanth's Kitchen. I have a separate video for this, please do watch it. Cook for 2 minutes and then switch off the flame. Let's add salt. Add little salt because the pakoda already has salt. Switch off the gas and finally let's garnish it with coriander leaves. This is a great accompaniment for Indian breakfast and also can be served with Indian breads. Let's start plating. Now my pakoda curry is ready and I am going to taste it. Wow, it is really delicious and I am sure you will love it. I hope you enjoyed my pakoda curry. Please subscribe my channel if you liked my video. We will meet you with an interesting recipe again. Until then, bye from Yeshwanth.